pushing me. Stay right there.
Oh, yeah. Yo, it's me!
All right, y'all. I want to introduce y'all to a new project.
It's mine!
Yeah, she did this.
It was me!
Yep, that's her car.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Well, not yet. All right, go crank it up.
Is it gonna crank?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. All right, crank it up. Oh, she runs good.
It's good for it.
Yeah.
Feel that chicken and that thumping. That's probably normal.
It's good for it. It's good. It's good. She's a keeper.
Why is it doing that?
I don't know. Leave it on.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
She's a keeper. Runs good. Runs good.
Why does it accelerate on its own? What's that sound?
I think it's getting ready to tell a knock-knock joke.
Did you say it's a knock-knock joke?
Yeah, it's getting ready to tell a knock-knock joke. We're about to find out who's coming out. It's not coming in, it's coming out.
It's the fairies that make everything easy and happen. It's the horsepower fairies. That's what it is. There's so much that they're knocking into each other.
We don't have horsepower fairies here. We have more like gremlins here.
We have
and that's one of the
gremlins.
that's one of them tapping right now, trying to get out.
That's a polite knock. They're polite.
No, they've knocked way too many times. Not polite anymore.
It's like your upstairs neighbors thumping for no reason.
I think right now, hold your hand up. You're the piston. Piston. Yep, you're a piston. And this is the valve, and they're kissing.
I like how you had to like figure out what shape your hand needed to be in.
Yeah.
To
That's what's going on. The little kiss.
just a little.
Yeah.
That's good for it.
Real keeper.
Yeah. Gonna need to replace its eyebrows. It's coming off.
Yeah. Lots of work here. Lots of work here. Like I need another project.
Yeah. Like a hole in the head, you know?
Perfect.
Go look inside. Look inside.
It's just-
Why is it smoking?
It's just a Mustang. Well, Blue's a fan. I'm ready to ride. And the booze. Well, they've accepted it. It smells awful.
Some of the things you've bought have smelled way worse.
Yeah, like the El Camino.
Wow, that was definitely a peanut gallery.
Look, I'm not here for your hate, sir. All right. There it is, in all of its glory. All right. Well, it's been a few days because the plague. But the last video y'all are gonna see was the last time this thing actually ran. Because we tried to crank it up to drive it up in here. That didn't happen. Had to push it in with the tractor. And it smells funny. It smells bad, like it cooked it. But I took all the shit off, and hopefully I am ready to pull the motor out. We'll see how much I forgot and didn't undo and all that good stuff. Ooh, is looking tight. Oh, she's picking. She's picking. All right, I need a spreader.
Is that a highly scientific name?
Yeah, I'm gonna spread these cheeks.
You're right, it does smell funny.
Yeah, it's. I think she got a little warm on the ride home.
No.
Probably shouldn't have drove it home. Well, you know, can't worry about that now. Give it up, you whore. That's really all working cars is, just testing it till it does the shit you want it to do.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. What is that?
I'm not worried about that.
That is not important.
Figment of your imagination. Doesn't happen. Yep. I'm worried about that radiator though. I wanna be beating on that radiator. Oh yeah, she's open, she's free. She's single. All single ladies.
That was pretty yucky.
Huh?
You touched me and you're all wet and icky.
Yeah. It's rather moist out here. And not the good kind.
Yeah, that's yucky too. God.
She's a squirter.
This is a family program.
It's a peeing. You're a peeing. What was that sound?
I'm deeply uncomfortable.
You're deeply uncomfortable? What?
Because what if you forgot something? What if you forgot something?
We won't know till the end.
I don't love that. It's a weird game you have here. Stress relieving, stress inducing.
It's definitely not stress relieving. I ain't never worked on a car. To be like, you know what, this really makes me calm and peaceful. Nah. I gotta have some rock and roll playing. Just straight vibing. I feel a sense of accomplishment when I do that.
I feel like there should be something in the hole.
In what hole?
And not that big one right there. That was just.
That's where our water hose was for the radiator. I unhooked all that.
Is that why it's being on the floor?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're gonna slam the hood down. It's gonna pop that stick loose.
Well, my thing is not steering.
Don't
Here,
put your
hold-
fingers there.
Hold that. And I'm gonna push this way. So you're supposed to hold that.
What am I supposed to do? I'm holding it.
Yes, you're
Still?
holding it. Yeah, and I'm gonna push this in.
Okay. Did I do it?
Yes. You did a good job.
Thanks. I'm pretty much a mechanic.
Excellent. Excellent listening. See my little, my willies. Headlight fluid.
Oh, man. Clean your room.
Lawnmower out there now.
Ugh.
Yeah. Since we're gonna paint this thing, I'm probably gonna take a little time and clean the engine bay and spray paint the engine bay black instead of green. Because no one likes green.
Except your friend Brandon.
That's because he's got the tism.
You should probably get rid of some of these little nests.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna wash all this. I'm gonna do it right for you. If it was for me, I'd just half-ass it all the way around.
Oh, thanks.
I'm gonna at least 3/4 ass this.
Wow.
Yep. So I'm gonna take this motor outside. We'll pick that motor up, do some swippy swappy around.
This one.
Yeah. This one came out of a Crown Victoria.
Are you? This looks.
That's
This looks
transmission.
different. Yeah, that one didn't come out with the.
That's because we're keeping your transmission.
Okay, so you're gonna pull that transmission off.
I'm gonna take that transmission off. We're just putting the motor in. But I'm gonna wash this thing so it looks halfway decent before I stick it in.
It does look like it's had. Oh God, it's on there really good, isn't it? Oh no.
It's had a few years in the shed. This is a shed find.
I bet people who watch this stuff know what they're looking at.
This is probably the first time I've had a 4.6 on the. See, the oil looks good though. I mean, it's old, but it's not glittery. It's not. Hopefully, it's in a dipstick tube, like the actual dipstick, nice and clean. Sometimes, if they don't pull them out, they'll turn black. If they haven't had oil changes and all that stuff, you can kind of tell with the dipstick. Maybe. No guarantees in anything. But we're gonna try this shit here. So next you'll see this thing in that hole.
Yeah, Hollywood magic. You look like that Will Smith thing. Talk about where'd all your money go?
For money.
Yeah. You're where all my money goes. And you're my exhibit B and exhibit C and D. Ugh.
All right. Who is it? That's the primer. You camera. Cause you're crusty. Crusty. Look at that nose booger. Don't die.
Musty.
You didn't video that.
Is that the way you want it?
We must be halfway there because we were on top and now we're on the bottom. Tell me. Tell me.
What's that song?
What does the fox say?
No,
Which one?
not that song. We were on the bottom, now we're here.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Actually, we started on the top, so that song doesn't apply. Also, copyright.
Question, what is copyright?
Nope. Oh my God. That was so scary.
Watch out.
I'm glad I'm not under.
Everything that happens in here is all done with professional licensing and accreditation. Nothing. Nothing to see here, folks.
Run's good. So, motor's in, but there was a dilemma. I had to take the motor back out from the last video y'all saw because that little flex plate there, this motor comes from a Crown Vic, and apparently the Crown Vic flex plate and torque converter are bigger. And I didn't check that because I wasn't feeling good and I was not up to, you know, full stuff. So, but we're here. It's in, it's together. I even put the little cross piece in there. Everything seems to be doing like it's supposed to be doing. Now we're gonna go underneath of it. 96 Mustang. Miss Julia's Mustang. We got the motor in there. And then I found these flow masters here. Letting all the flow go. I washed a bunch of stuff underneath here because it was disgusting. Stock H-pipe for right now. And we swiped some mufflers that I had laying around. Those are actually off my 57, so it should make this Ford run better. And now we're going to see what it sounds like. Stock everything, Throwmaster, no, Thrush chambered mufflers. No.
Running like a diesel.
What do you think?
It's good.
Good for you?
Yeah.
Alright, honey.
Let's start. Solid.
Gonna spin the wheels. We're okay.
We're okay. We're okay.
First test. First ride. Alright. We'll be back in a minute.
Look at that bloom. Oh God. Damn bugs blowing around.
Ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready now.
Let's give her the beans.
Give her the beans. It was not. Aw. Well,
That's a baby poo.
that was a baby bean.
Baby bean.
I'm glad it didn't explode.
I'd rather blow up now than later.
I don't want to. You don't have to put that out. We don't have to. It doesn't have to blow up at all.
I mean, I'd
Like,
rather
you
it
could-
not, but if it's going to, like, let's go on and get down with it.
Get down with it. No, thank you.